Thanks very much, sir.
Thank you very much, folks. You're very kind. Thank you. That was a couple of lively, clear polkas there. Right, introduce you to Eamon Cotter this time on the concert floor. Eamon comes from Kilmaley in County Clare, and he's going to introduce his solo to you right now. Thank you.
I'm going to play two hornpipes that I got from the playing of James Morrison. He was a fiddle player that immigrated to America back in the 20s, and I have these recorded on my new solo album. The tunes are called Thomond Bridge and The Souvenir.
Thank you.